Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2 co-sponsored by अमूल में देवियर सज्जनों अब वक्त है महिलाओं के 53 यानी 53 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती का और दिल्ली सुल्तान की ओर से आ रही हैं भारतीय मूल की संगीता फोगाट। देवियर सज्जनों पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से इस बार में लड़ने के लिए आ रही हैं नाइजीरिया मूल की ओडुनायो।
Well, our third bout of the evening is the women's 53 kilograms and a local hero for the Delhi Sultans, Sangeeta Phogat, and she's up against a real character, Odunayo Adekunle from Nigeria. And the Nigerian girl, immensely popular, competed at the Olympics in 2016 up against the latest of the Sangeeta prodigies, the national junior champion in 2016, Sangeeta Phogat. Sangeeta in the white top, and it's Adekunle in the dark strip. And Raman, for people outside India, just explain a little bit about the Phogat phenomenon.
That's a story in itself, John. And I tell you what, it's had a super hit movie made on it, starring one of the biggest cinematic heroes of our time. But for the moment, Odunayo has got Sangeeta Phogat in trouble here with that grip that she took. Now looking to score the first points in this bout, and I'll tell you that story in just a bit. For the moment, Odunayo has managed a takedown against Sangeeta Phogat and scored 2 points. The first points in her name. The Nigerian now managing to roll Sangeeta over. That'll be another 2 points for her.
Action quickly. I was thinking we could get that little tail in before it, but no such luck with Adekunle. All action off the mat and on the mat.
I'm talking about the sisters. This is Babita Kumari, Sangeeta's elder sister. And that's Adekunle's husband, whom we saw, the grappler from Nigeria. I tell you what, the Phogat sisters, their father, Dharambir Phogat, encouraged his daughters, 5 of them, to take up wrestling against the norm in a village in Haryana, where generally boys are preferred over girls. But for the moment, in this women's weight category, the 53 kg, another couple of points for Adekunle. She's rolled Sangeeta over, so 2 more points. Suddenly, within a span of a minute and a half, it's 8-0 in favor of the Nigerian.
And again, it's experience and extra years of training counting. Sangeeta, very young, still only 19 years old, won the junior championship, remember, in 2016. Whereas Adekunle is very experienced, had gold at the 2014 Commonwealth Games, competed in the Rio Olympics, bronze at the 2015 World Championships, all the experience with her. But an attempt to fight back there from Sangeeta Phogat. Finding her feet, you might say.
Well, she's down 8-0 at the moment against Adekunle. And Adekunle, remember, was here last season as well for Pro Wrestling League. Her record is an unbeaten one so far. She didn't lose a single bout last year. She hasn't lost a bout this year as well. Was blocked in the previous contest against the Mumbai Maharathis. And Erica Weeb was really happy when she was able to block this weight category. And we all know why. For the moment, the Nigerian on the attack again.
Absolutely, that's a tremendous record, unbeaten in the whole of the competition so far. And of course Sangeeta had a little bit of a disadvantage too, because she was blocked in the first match, and actually therefore this is her first fight.
In the meantime,
another 10 points and taken off the mat. They'll go back to the neutral position, but an extra 2 points there, and it's now 12 points to 0.
No wonders Babita's looking so worried. Sangeeta's elder sister, who remember had a gold medal at the Commonwealth Games, where Udanayo had won gold as well. But that was a different weight category. It was 55 kgs where Babita had taken the gold.
Yeah, the clever thing, all those sisters all managing to stay at different weight categories.
That's what happened in Delhi. In the meantime, at the end of the first round, it's 12-0 in favor of Nigeria's Udanayo Adekunroye, while Babita's younger sister Sangeeta Phogat is struggling against this Nigerian grappler. And it really is turning out to be a one-sided bout. 12-0 in favor of Udanayo. Let's take a look at the highlights of this bout so far, John.
Well, on the attack almost right from the start. Adekunroye, tremendous strength. And that was the big 4-pointer early on. Again, managing with that double leg grip to just roll her opponent. Takes away the base of the defending grappler and makes it much easier to roll her over. And then takes her out and off the mat. And referee Virender Malik signals the start of round 2. Sangeeta Phogat with everything to do. Probably an impossible task, but that won't make her any the less determined. She trails 12-0.
And the referee intervening, rightly so, Virender Malik, letting both grapplers know that they needn't just go about whipping their arms around each other's faces, but actually wrestle.
Single leg attack again from Adekunroye. Very quick reactions though from Sangeeta Phogat. Manages to get out of that one, and 1 point. And it's gone against Sangeeta Phogat. Refusing to wrestle.
There's a huge difference in both grapplers. The Nigerian Udanayo is a lot taller. She has the reach advantage as well that she's used to good effect. She's got the experience as well. Manages another takedown. There'll be 2 more points, which will mean that should be the end of the contest. Yes, that's exactly what the referee is signaling as well, because this contest will be stopped and Udanayo will be declared the winner on technical superiority. She's 15 points ahead of her opponent.
Yeah, and 15's the cutoff point. Technical knockout if you're talking boxing terminology, and they don't want to see it go to the death. In fact, the remarkable thing is you actually are surprised that they're both the same weight category, because she does look so much bigger and stronger, Adekunroye.
And the customary celebrations kick in from the Nigerian.
Still unbeaten in the Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League. Totally over the 2 seasons, co-sponsored by Amul. Well, an entertainer in every way. The crowd lover, she loves the crowd, and a complete extrovert. Look at the audience, the spectators here know she's a character. They love her. Remember, she is still unbeaten in the Power Pro Wrestling League, the Power Vita Pro Wrestling League.
And that's the confirmation of the score. And let's take a look at the highlights of this bout. The Nigerian dominated from the word go, and this was the final takedown. She was already up 13-0, took down her opponent, scored 2 more, and that's when Virendra Malik had to signal to both grapplers to stop, because the difference was 15 points.
It was a good job too, Raman, because in fact she got it just after the whistle had gone. There were at least another 2. It could have been another 4.
Absolutely. So now a 3-0 lead for the Punjab's side against Delhi. Wonder if they can clinch it in the next bout itself. We'll take a short break and be back with more.